On the corner, they are with the talks, some and we smoking marijuana. Yes, we have a pot of cookie, yes, so it's no drama. What we cooking, yam, dumpling and green banana. Yes, we bought a soapfish, be a little time. Then we add some skelly and a little piece of thyme. Can't forget the scotch bonnet, yes, that's every time. Drink some nice sugar cane, I had one piece of lime, yeah. Pimento wood, I give the jerk the ace aroma. Middle quarters, pepper, shrimp, bun, no talk corona. Could it be the nice red peas in all the soup? Or maybe it's the okra, greens, or callaloo. Or maybe it's just the vibe we bring and that's the truth. Positivity every time we pass through. Everybody up in love of Jamaican food. Could the curry go chicken or even brown stew? Them have the mango and the guinea smooth banana. And them have the star apple, jackfruit and the guava. And them have the greater cake, the coconut kizada. Natural people, natural things and natural water. What me say, cook and vibe, you can catch us every single week. Who is cooking up a mad thing, could be cooking in the street. Could be cooking in the yard or could be cooking in the sea. Anywhere we there, you know we're cooking up me GG's.
I miss the green things, we are cooking vibe. We are all the vibes, I miss the green things. Tell me how you feeling, we are cooking vibe.
Cause we are full of vibes, can we say great things and tell me how you're feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are full of vibes, and me say great things and tell me how you're feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are full of vibes now. Me day a England sadly. I forgive thanks when I reach to know my manly. Now me day a country and I'm cooking with the family. Fresh cocoa beans, you're the one that's sweet like candy. Can't forget the pumpkin and cassava and the breadfruit. And manish water, what they call go head soup. Rasta man, the grate the coconut and make a veg stew. Everybody happy, everybody in the best mood. What me say, everybody forward, make we hold a little vibes. Every time I watch Cook and Vibe, you have to bust a smile. We have to give thanks for the blessings in our lives. Could be drinking wagwan all rum through the night. Watermelon shrimp, yeah, that's the throwback. Rich dried pea, yeah, you know we get a cold pack. Woooi is cooking up a mad thing, yeah, you know that. Once you watch once, trust me, you will go back.
I miss the great things, we are cooking vibe. We are all the vibes, I miss the great things. Tell me how you feeling, we are cooking vibe.
Cause we are full of vibes, can we say great things and tell me how you're feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are full of vibes, and me say great things and tell me how you're feeling. We are cooking vibe. We are full of vibes now.